Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue faced by Google Chrome users, the dreaded black screen problem. If you're experiencing this frustrating issue, fear not. We have a step-by-step solution to help you fix it. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen and locate the More menu. It's represented by 3 dots. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Within the drop-down menu, you'll find an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on it to access the Chrome settings. Step 4. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a list of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Reset Settings. Step 5. Now, you'll see a button labeled Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on it to proceed. Step 6. A confirmation dialog box will appear. To finalize the process, click on the Reset Settings button. By following these 6 simple steps, you'll be able to fix the Google Chrome black screen issue. Resetting the settings to their original defaults often helps resolve any conflicts or misconfigurations causing the black screen problem. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in resolving the Google Chrome black screen issue for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.